Hello little friends, welcome to my color board. Let's start. Today we're going to learn the alphabet. Let's start with letter A. Capital A for apple, apple. And the small A, red color, A for apple, apple. And then let's write the letter B. B is for ball, ball, ball. Letter B for ball. Perfect. Dark blue color. Capital B and the small b. Good job, guys. And then let's write the letter C. C for car. Car. Light green color. Good job, guys. Now here we have the letter D. D for dog, dog, capital D and the small d, orange color. Perfect. Now let's write the letter E. Red color, capital E, E for elephant, elephant. Perfect. And then let's write letter F. F for fairy, F for fish, fish. Pink color, capital F and small f. Now let's write the letter G. G is for girl, girl. Capital G and the small g, light green color. Good job, guys. And then let's write with sky blue color. Perfect. Letter H. H for horse, horse. And then let's write letter I, brown color. I is for igloo, igloo. I for ice cream, ice cream. Here we have A for apple, apple. B for ball, ball. C for car, car. D for daddy, daddy. E for egg, egg. F is for fairy, fairy. G is for girl, girl. H is for horse, H for horse. I for igloo, igloo. Good job, guys. Now we are done. And if you like this video and you want to see more videos, subscribe and like. Love you so much. Bye-bye.